Before you watch the video, subscribe it, click on the bell icon for more notifications. Hi everybody, welcome to AGAA-MATH. This is Rakesh. Today we are going to learn about the applications of quadratic equations, problems and numbers. This is the third video which we are going to see now. There is a problems on numbers which are related with the quadratic equations. Right? So here the question now. Divide 16 into two parts. Okay. Divide 16 into two parts such that the square of the larger part, okay, twice the square of the larger part exceeds the square of the smaller part by 164. So find the two parts. Here we are. How to let us see how we are going to solve this, right? Okay, so first of all, let us start the solution here. Let the larger part, let us take the larger part, let the larger part equals to x, and the smaller part, what would be the smaller part then? The smaller part equals to 16 minus x. How? Because in the question itself given that 16 should be divided into two parts. Okay, so 16 means sum of these two numbers should be 16. That's what 16 minus x. Now the condition is given that twice the square of the larger part. Twice the square of the larger part. Twice means two times. Square of the larger part. Here we have taken the larger part as x. So square of the larger part exceeds the square of the smaller part. Square of the smaller part. So 16 minus x whole square. So exceeds means whose difference. If you see that if the difference of these two will be equals to 164. Okay. Now let us simplify this. 2x square minus 16 minus x whole square. It means it is 256, like a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a square minus 2ab, that is 32x, plus x square equals to 164. Now if I simplify more, that is 2x square minus 256 plus 32x minus x square minus 164 equals to 0. Nothing, that I have just transferred this 164 towards the LHS. Now 2x square minus x square equals to x square plus 32x minus 256 minus 164, that is equals to minus 420 equals to 0. So this is the equation we have got now, that is x square plus 32x minus 420 equals to 0. Now we have to find the roots for this quadratic equation to find the numbers, right? Let us see. So x square plus 32x minus 420, right? So here I do x square plus 32x minus 420 equals to 0. Now I would like to find the roots for this. So I do I do the factorization method, that is x square, okay, x square plus 42x minus 10x. It's nothing that 42x minus 10x is 32x minus 420 equals to 0. Now here, that is x of x plus 42 isn't it? Minus 10 of x plus 42 equals to 0. So if I take x plus 42 as a common here, so x plus 42 common if I take, then x minus 10. X plus 42 of x minus 10 equals to 0. Now it means x plus 42 equals to 0 or x minus 10 equals to 0. So finally x equals to minus 42 or x equals to 10. So here the numbers which we divided are positive integers, positive numbers. That so negative number is neglected here. We are not going to consider this negative number. Therefore I would like to take that x equals to 10. So if one number is x, so if one number equals to x, that is equals to 10, then other number equals to 16 minus x, it's equals to 16 minus 10 equals to, that is 6. So what are the two numbers? 10 and 6 are the two numbers. This is how we find the numbers. So let us see the question and procedure once again. Okay, divide 16 into two parts such that the twice the square of the larger part exceeds the square of the smaller part by 164. So the larger part here, let us take that it as a x, the smaller part is 16 minus x. According to the given condition here, we framed the quadratic equation, and finally we got that the quadratic equation as x square plus 32x minus 420. After factorizing, we got these are the two numbers, that 10 and 6 are the two numbers, right? So these are the two numbers, and let us see one more question based on this problem sum numbers. Okay, fine. A two-digit number is such that the product of its digit is 18. When 63 is subtracted from the number, the digits interchange their places. Find the number. So what is that number? Let us see now here how to find. Okay, so let's first of all, it's a two-digit number, means obviously it is a two-digit number, like it is having a tens place and ones place, right? So here what I do is let x is in the tens place digit, x is in the tens place digit, y is in the units place digit. So that x is a tens place digit and y is a units place digit. It means we know that condition is given, product of its digits is 18. It means x is in the tens place digit, y is in the units place digit, right? It means now that is condition given is product of its digit is 18. It means x into y equals to 18. Okay, so I make x a subject here. Let x is equals to 18 over 5, 18 over y. So let it be. And it being the x is in the tens place and y is in the units place, how does the number appear? The number is 10x plus y, because when the digit is in the tens place, that means 10 into x, and y is in the units place, that is 1 into y. So both will be added to get a number. So that number is 10x plus y. So when 63 is subtracted from the digits, from the number, 63 is subtracted from the number, It means, so from 10x plus y minus 63, the digits interchanged their places, means the y goes to tens place and the x comes to the units place. It means the number appear like 10y plus x. The digits get interchanged here. So now what I do, just that is 10x plus y minus 63 minus 10y minus x equals to 0. So finally, if you simplify this, 10x minus x is 9x, y minus 10y is minus 9y, minus 63 equals to 0. So what we got, 9x minus 9y minus 63 equals to 0. Here what I do is, in the place of x, I would like to substitute 18 by y. This is what we have. So this x value I would like to substitute in the place of x, that is 9x minus 9y minus 63. Okay, so what we have is 9x minus 9y minus 63 equals to 0. So let's divide each term with the 9 now, because all the terms here are common multiple of 9, right? So if you divide each term with the 9, that is 9x by 9, we get x minus y, x minus y minus 7 equals to 0. Already we know that x equals to what? Here we have x equals to 18 by y, right? So in the place of x I would like to substitute, that is 18 by y minus 7 equals to 0. Now let's take the LCM. That means here you get 18 minus y square minus 7y equals to 0. If you take the LCM for the denominators and simplify, so finally we get y square plus 7y minus 18 equals to 0. Now let us factorize to find the value of y. So I write it as y square plus 9y minus 2y minus 18 equals to 0. So y can be taken as a common, right? So y of y plus 9 minus 2 of y plus 9 equals to 0. So finally, where this y plus 9 is common here, so y plus 9 of, that is y minus 2 equals to 0. So finally what we got is 5 equals to minus 9 or 2. So it is a digit, so it is a digit here. To write a number we use a positive digit, right? So positive number I would like to take, that is here y is equals to 2, right? Y equals to 2. So now as y equals to 2, and we know that x equals to, okay, x equals to 18 by y, that means x equals to 9. So x equals to 18 by y, we know that y is equals to 2, so that x equals to 18 by 2, that is equals to 9. So we got the y value and x value. So that number already which we have taken is, what is the number we have taken? That is 10x plus y, right? So just substitute the values now. So 10 of 9 minus or plus y, that is 2. So it is equals to 92. Hooray, I got it. I got it. The number is 92. Therefore the number is 92. This is the number, that is 92. Right? So this is how we find the numbers. So this is the third video which we made now. So applications of quadratic equations, problems on numbers. This is the third video. So if you have still any more queries, just give us a mail at askagaamath@gmail.com. Thank you for listening. Bye bye. Take care.